the, where did it go? The fast startup amp here. So I'm curious where that resides in the registry. So save that for right now and open up. Okay. Right, so this is basically just changing the registry value Hiberboot. Oh, it's from hibernation. Okay, that makes sense. Didn't look like an actual word there. Hiberboot enabled to 0, and then getting the registry value to see if it has been enabled. If it is 0, then setting disable, fast start disabled. If it is not disabled, then fast start could not be disabled. I see. So it's doing a test after the fact as opposed to before. Normally what I would say to do is do this get registry value first to see if it's already set. And if it's set to 0, then don't do anything. If that registry value doesn't exist, or if it's set to something other than 0, I'm guessing it would be 1, then do the set registry to 0. But my guess is that because the way this is written is probably because that that registry value either may not take or may not persist. So if you set it to 0 and then test to see if it is 0 and it's not, then it's a failure. You couldn't actually disable it for whatever reason. Maybe it was locked or some kind of issue there, or the registry value didn't exist in the first place. So registry, what I would do is see if the registry key exists, because that may be, yeah, I would probably do a test to see if that registry key exists before I set it, so that the systems that don't have that property for whatever reason will go ahead and fail and not try to go through multiple times to get and set a registry value that doesn't exist. But that's me. I didn't write that policy. I would do things a little bit different, which is not surprising because, again, I'm a Mac guy. Windows Home does not support disabling fast boot. Does Windows Home support enabling fast boot? Is that registry just not there, or is it a the sort of thing where it's locked and you can't disable it? Okay,